Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert the multiple images to the PDF file. Let's start. Here you can see I have 5 images. To convert that images into the PDF, I have select all the images. Right click to the image and select print option. Here you can see new window is open with all the images. Next, I have to select the Microsoft Print to PDF option from the printer menu. Then select the paper size, that is letter, legal or A4. And then quality of the images. By default it is 600 by 600. In right side there is an option for print number of images in one page of PDF file. You can see there are various options. You can select one from that. At the bottom of window, one checkbox for fit picture in frame. You can check it and also change the paper size. When all things are done, press print button. Type PDF file name and select the location. You can see our PDF file is generated. In the PDF file, all the images are added.